What's up guys, welcome to another iDoctor UK video. In this video, I will show you how to remove and replace the back glass of your S20 Ultra model SMG988. As always, if you're trying this repair yourself, please watch the video in full before carrying out the repair to familiarize yourself with all aspects of the repair. So to start this repair, we need to get the back cover nice and hot. To do this, I will place the phone face up on the heat mat for 5 minutes set at 69 degrees. You can also replicate this if you don't have a heat mat using a hot air gun or a hairdryer. Whilst the phone's cooking, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you like repair content like this, subscribe to the channel. Once the phone's hot enough, carefully insert a razor blade between the mid-frame bezel and the back glass to make a small incision. And now that we've got a small opening, it's easy to insert the corner of a plastic playing card and work your way around all the edges of the device, just inserting it a few millimeters, just deep enough to separate the adhesive. Once you've worked all the way around, the glass should separate from the device pretty easily. With the back cover now removed, we need to make the surface that our new glass is going to stick to super clean to give the new glass the best chance of sticking and maintaining a perfect seal. Use your thumb or finger to rub off any of the heavy bits of adhesive what are left, and then use a clean room wipe soaked in isopropyl alcohol to remove any remaining residue. And once it's clean, we can get our new part ready. For this repair, we always aim to use genuine Samsung parts because they fit the device perfectly, always have the new OEM seal pre-applied, and generally wipe the floor with any aftermarket part available. Once it's out of the packaging, remove any of the backing and protective films using tweezers and avoid touching the adhesive with your fingers to reduce the risk of contaminating the adhesive with skin oils and other contaminants. Once all the film and backing's removed, perform one final check along the frame of the phone to make sure there's no dust, glass, adhesive left over, and then place it onto the back of the phone, starting in one corner, then gently applying pressure to all the edges to secure it into place. Then one last step that I always advise is to heat up the back cover and add some weight to it to give it a really strong seal. I'll do this by placing it onto the heat mat again for 10 minutes with this heavy PCB holder on top. And finally, once the 10 minutes is up, give it a final inspection, making sure there's no raised edges and the new back cover sits perfectly on the phone. Thank you for watching and see you next time.